Hello children, welcome back. In our previous lecture, we learned descending order. Today we are going to learn ascending order of rational numbers. Ascending means small to big. Let us start. Our first question is minus 4 by 7, 2 by 7, minus 5 by 7 and 0. As you can see children, the denominators are equal, so the sum is very easy. We have to just write them from small to big. First let us see what are the rational numbers here. If you see 2 by 7 is a positive rational number and minus 4 by 7 and minus 5 by 7 are negative rational numbers. So if you place them in a number line, right? Let me show you here. If you place them here, minus 4 by 7 will come here, minus 5 by 7 here and 2 by 7. Okay. In ascending order, you have to place the numbers from small to big. That means the smallest number is on the left hand side because these are negative and these are positive. To the right of 0 is positive, to the left of 0 is negative. So we will be placing the numbers from left to right on a number line for ascending order. So our arrow will be like this. So if you are going from left to right, the smallest number is minus 5 by 7, then minus 4 by 7, followed by 0 and then 2 by 7. Hope you understood children. Let us go to the next sum. 12 by 15, 7 by 15, minus 5 by 15 and minus 12 by 15. Now here if you see children, the denominators are already equal. So I will not cancel, I will not bring them to the lowest term. 5 ones are 5 threes are 15. Then again we have to go through the LCM method. So when the denominators are equal, you will not bring them to lowest term and just place the number ascending order small to big. So what is the smallest number here? The negative rational numbers are these and these are positive rational numbers. So of course the negative rational numbers will come first. But which is the smallest? Which is farthest from 0? That is minus 12 by 15. So minus 12 by 15 will come first, followed by minus 5 by 15. Then we are going to first right of 0. First right of 0, what number will come? 7 by 15 and then 12 by 15. Hope you understood children. Now let us move to the last sum. 15 by 36, minus 12 by 28, minus 3 by 7 and 1 by 5. Now here if you see children, the denominators are not equal. So we have to take the LCM. So before taking the LCM, if the numbers are big, we can reduce them and then take the LCM. We will do that first. So here the denominators are not equal. So before taking the LCM, I will reduce them. So this is both are multiples of 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 12s are 36. Then this is 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. Because minus is there, I am putting minus children. 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28. And these are prime numbers, so they cannot be reduced further. Minus 3 by 7 and 1 by 5 also cannot be reduced. Now we have to take the LCM of 12, 7, 7 and 5. We will do here. We will start with 2. 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are, 5 1s are, and then last it is 7 1s are. Right? So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 67s are 420. So our LCM is 420. So we have to convert all these denominators to 420. So let us do that first. Okay. Now here 12 is there. So 12 into how much you will get 420. I have done this several times in the video children, that if you don't know what is 12 into what is 420, you can go to your LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So you hide these numbers. What is left? 7 5s are 35. So it will be 12 into 35 only will give you 420. Now you have to multiply the same number with the numerator to make it equivalent fraction. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 175. Now here 7 is there. 7 into what will give you 420? Hide the number 7. So 5 2s are 10. 10 3s are 60. 10 6s are 60. So 7 into 60. So minus 3 into 60 will give you minus 180. Then again 7. 7 into 60. I think I have written 4 3s are 4 7s are. Okay. So minus 3 into 60 is minus 180 and 5 8s are 40. 84. Correct? 5 4s are 20. 5 and do here 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Correct? So 1 into 84 will give you 84. Okay children? I think here the sum is, I will just see the sum children. Yeah, this is minus 3 by minus 7 children. So minus 3 by minus 7 will get cancelled. So this will become positive 180 because minus 3 by minus 7, here the negative sign gets cancelled. So they become positive rational number. So this will be plus 180. So now I have changed all the denominators to 420. So now I have to just place them in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. So let us see which is the smallest number here. Now if you see the smallest number, only this is negative. That means this is the smallest number here, negative rational number. So I will write minus 180 by 420. Then bigger than this is 84 by 420. Then 175 by 420. And last is 180 by 420. Now these are the numbers which we have converted into LCM and got it. But what is actually minus 180 by 420? It is minus 12 by 28. And 84 by 420 is 1 by 5. 175 by 420 is 15 by 36. And 180 by 420 is minus 3 by minus 7, which you can write as 3 by 7 also, because both the negative signs cancel out. And in this way you can write the ascending order. Hope you understood children. Ascending order means make the denominators equal and in a number line move from left to right. Bye for now.